Hello guys, good afternoon. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, The Explicit Tourist. As you all know, my name is Mr. Joseph. Please, as you are watching this video, endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In today's video, we shall be discussing biology, a topic called excretory system. What is the meaning of excretory system? These are the various organs that help in the excretion of what? Metabolic products from the body, okay? Now, why excretion means the removal of what? Metabolic products from the body, which are usually what? Toxic or harmful, and may later interfere with normal activities carried out by the body. Excretion is what? The removal of toxic or harmful metabolic products from the body, which may in later interfere with the normal activities carried out by the body. Now, of course, waste products are actually toxic, alright? They are toxic, which means that they can cause harm to the body when they are not what excreted from the body. Now, in plants, there are two types of waste. In plants, there are two types of waste. We have the major waste, alright? The major wastes are excreted from the plants completely. The major wastes are excreted from the plants completely. Examples are carbon dioxide, alright, oxygen, and what? Water. Now, during major animals and plants possess major waste, but minor waste is possessed by plants only. Now, how are these products liberated? Now, during photosynthesis, I have a 6 moles of carbon dioxide reacting with 6 moles of water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, you have 6 H12O6 plus what? 6 moles of what? Oxygen. So during photosynthesis in green plants, oxygen is liberated as what? A major waste. During photosynthesis in green plants, oxygen is what? Liberated as a major waste. They'll ask you, which of the following is the first stable product during photosynthesis? It is what? Glucose. Glucose is the first stable product or direct product during what? Photosynthesis. Now, during respiration, if I have respiration now, I have 6 is H12O6 plus 6 moles of water. Okay, sorry, 6 moles of oxygen. Of course, I'm going to be having 6 moles of carbon dioxide plus 6 moles of water plus 38 ATP. Now, this first one, when you invert it, you will have what? Respiration. But in this first case, ATP is not produced, which is what? Adenosine triphosphate. But in respiration, when this equation is inverted, plus 38 ATP, you have what? This equation is what? Respiration. Now, during respiration, carbon dioxide is what? Liberated. It is liberated. You see, carbon dioxide, oxygen, water are what? Major waste. In plants, during transpiration, transpiration and guttation, water is lost in the form of what? Vapor. During transpiration, water is lost in the form of vapor, and transpiration is measured using an instrument called what? Potometer. When plant loses water in the form of vapor, we call it what? Transpiration. But when a plant loses water in the form of liquid, we call it what? Guttation. Take note of that. And hydatodes are associated with what? Guttation. Hydatodes are associated with guttation. You see, water, carbon dioxide, and oxygen are produced as what? Major waste. Look at it here. Respiration, carbon dioxide, and water are produced as what? Major waste. So carbon dioxide, oxygen, and water are major waste in both plants and what? Animals. Okay. You now have examples of We now have number 2 called minor waste. Minor waste, number 2. Minor waste. Alright. Minor waste are wastes that are not completely excreted from the body of the plant. Alright, these major wastes, they are excreted from the plant completely, but in minor waste, the wastes are not excreted from the body of the plant completely, hence they are found at the back of what? The tree or the plant. What are examples of minor waste? We have resin, we have mucilage, alright, we have glycoside, we have alkaloid, we have tannin, we have heroin, nicotine. All of these are what? Minor waste in plant, because they are not excreted from the body of the plant completely. They are just found at the back of what? The plant. They'll ask you which of the following is used to convert hides and skin to leather. Which of the following is used to convert hides and skin to what? Leather. You have, okay, let me report this please. I have A, B, C, and D. Alright, which of these is used to convert hides and skin into what? Leather. The skin of animal, alright, like belts, leather shoes, leather belts, they have been what? They have been worked on. And I've already said the answer. Which of the following is used to convert hides and skin into leather? Okay, what is used to convert the skin of animals into leather? I'll give you option A, resin, B, alkaloid, C, I'll give you tannin, and D, I'll give you glycoside. I just remember that one now. Calcium oxalate. Calcium oxalate is also a waste product. So which of those is used to convert hides and skin into leather? Please, it is tannin. Jambite. You are going to see this question. Tannin is used to convert hides and skin of animals into what? Leathers. Take note of that. And so these are examples of minor waste, and these are examples of what? Major waste. Take note of that. It is they'll ask you which of the following is a minor waste in plant. Which of the following is a minor waste in plant? They may give you this and maybe just include one of these ones I've listed. Please, any of these becomes the answer. They are all minor waste. I believe we have established minor waste and major waste. Now we now have what is called nitrogenous waste. Nitrogenous waste. What are the constituents of nitrogenous waste? What are the constituents of nitrogenous waste? I have nitrogenous waste. What are the constituents of nitrogenous waste? We have urea, uric acid, and what? Ammonia. So these three are the constituents of what? Nitrogenous waste. They are called nitrogenous waste. Now, urea is highly soluble. It is highly soluble and is excreted by mammals and dog fishes. Mammals and what? Dog fishes. Uric acid is insoluble. Uric acid is what? Insoluble, and actually it is toxic. It is excreted by reptiles, birds, and insects. Insects, birds, and reptiles have their major waste as what? Uric acid. It is of course insoluble. Reptiles, birds, and insects are animals that have their major waste as what? Uric acid. Now, ammonia is excreted by amoeba, bony fishes, and even sponges. So amoeba, bony fishes, and sponges have their major waste as what? Ammonia. Now, they've asked this question that why do animals produce uric acid? Why do they excrete uric acid? And uric acid does not dissolve in water. They excrete uric acid because there is need to conserve water. Animals excrete uric acid because there is need to conserve water. Right, so please, these are the various nitrogenous waste: urea, uric acid, and ammonia. And I said mammals, dog, fishes, they excrete urea as their nitrogenous waste. Of course, it is soluble. Then uric acid, insoluble, excreted by reptiles, birds, and what? Insects. You have ammonia. Ammonia is sparingly soluble, that is partially soluble, and excreted by amoeba, bony fishes, and what? Sponges. Take note of that, okay? These animals excrete uric acid because there's what? Need to conserve water. So, let us now look at the excretory organs of animals. Animals and their excretory organs. Animals and their excretory organs. What do they use for excretion? Okay. Now, mammals excrete using their lungs, kidney, and skin. All of these are what? Excretory organ. Then number 2, you have amoeba and paramecium. Alright, they carry out excretion with the use of their body surface / contractile vacuum. Alright, so amoeba, paramecium use body surface or contractile vacuum for what? Excretion. Then number 3, you have insects. Insects excrete using what is called the Mappingian tube, or the Mappingian tube. Alright, this is the excretory organ of insects. It is commonly asked, which of these is the excretory organ of insect? It is what? Mappingian tube. Then number 4, I have earthworm. What is the excretory organ of earthworm? We call it nephridia. Then number 5, the excretory organ of tapeworm / planaria. It is what? Flame cell. So tapeworm, or otherwise called what? Flatworm, and planaria have their excretory organ as what? Flame cell. Take note of that. Then number 6, I have spiders. Spiders use their long beak for excretion. Now please, spiders make use of their long beak for both excretion and what? Respiration. Which of the following organ is used as both excretory organ and what? Respiratory organ? In spider, it is long beak. Long beak is used as excretory organ and what? Respiratory organ in spiders. Okay. Then number 7, Hydra. Hydra uses its mouth for respiration because it possesses incomplete digestive system. All right. So the mouth of Hydra is surrounded by an appendage called what? Hypostome. Hypostome is the appendage that surrounds the mouth of what? The hydra. And the hydra uses what? The mouth for excretion. It does not have anus, okay? Now, number 8, birds, reptiles, they use their kidney. They use their kidney for what? Excretion. Birds, reptiles, they use their kidney for what? Excretion. Take note of that. Take note of that. Is there any other one? Is there another one? Oh, of course, earthworm excretion is by what? Body surface. Okay, no, earthworm has nephridia. I mean, sponges. All right, sponges, they make use of their body surface of what? Excretion. Take note of that. So mammals, they use their lungs, kidney, skin. Amoeba, paramecium, body surface. Insect, mammalian tube. Earthworm, nephridia. Tapeworm, planaria, that is, they use flame cell. Spiders, they make use of what? Lung, book. Hydra uses what? Its mouth for respiration. Birds, reptiles, they make use of kidney for respiration. And again, what is it called now? Amphibians. All right, amphibians, they make use of their skin. Amphibians use their skin for rest. That is their moist skin for what? Excretion. It is very important. So at this point, we'll call it a day. In my next class, we shall be treating the kidney. All right, what is the shape of the kidney? How does it perform its duties? Now you know that the kidney is bean shaped. We have the left kidney and we have the right kidney. The left one is higher in position than the right kidney. On top each kidney lies a gland called adrenal gland, which produces what? Adrenaline. All right. When the kidney is cut vertically, you have the medulla, you have the cortex, and you have what? The pelvis. The outer part of the kidney is the cortex. The inner part is what? The pelvis. Okay. So in our next class, we shall be treating the kidney and how it carries out excretion and how urine is formed through during so-called selective reabsorption, ultrafiltration, and what? Tubular secretion. So these are the 3 processes that are involved during urine formation. So at this point, we call it a day. Thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful day.